In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create timed quizzes in Google Classroom in just a few minutes. Whether you're an educator looking to streamline your assessments or someone just curious about the process, I've got you covered. First, we're going to start by creating the quiz itself using Google Forms, a handy tool that's a part of many people's everyday workflow. Head over to Google Forms by simply accessing it through your Google account. Once there, you'll notice you can either click on a blank form to start from scratch or choose from a variety of quiz templates. This gives you the flexibility to design a quiz that perfectly suits your needs while also saving time if you prefer a preset layout. Moving forward, you'll need to customize the quiz settings. Click on the settings tab within your chosen form. Under the quizzes section, you'll see an option to make this form a quiz. Ensure that this is toggled on. This setting is essential because it allows you to configure grading options and decide whether or not to show correct answers after submission. Adding your questions is the next step, and Google Forms offers an array of question types, including multiple choice and short answer, to keep your quiz dynamic and engaging. Now let's talk about adding a timer, as Google Forms doesn't have a built-in option for this. You'll need to utilize third-party add-ons. At the top right of your Google form, click on the More option, which looks like 3 vertical dots. From here, select add-ons and search for Form Timer. Once you find it, go ahead and install it, following any prompts to configure the timer to your specifications. This add-on will help ensure your students are pacing themselves, enhancing the fairness and effectiveness of your assessment. After setting up your timed quiz, it's time to assign it to your class through Google Classroom, an intuitive platform that makes managing course content straightforward. Access Google Classroom and select the appropriate class. Navigate to the Classwork tab and click Create, then choose Quiz Assignment. You'll need to attach your form, the Google form you've just prepared from Google Drive. Additionally, don't forget to adjust the due date and time, giving students a clear understanding of when they need to complete the quiz. You can also provide any extra instructions that might support your students during the quiz. Finally, it's crucial to track and manage submissions efficiently. In Google Forms, the Responses tab becomes your best friend in this. This is where you can monitor how students are doing in real time and eventually provide feedback and release grades once all submissions are in. This comprehensive approach ensures a smooth experience for both you and your students, fostering an environment where assessments are both fair and effective. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of Google Classroom.